For Maricopa homeowners, sustainability is more than just a trend. It's a smart way to live comfortably while reducing environmental impact. With Arizona's desert climate bringing intense sunlight, high summer temperatures, and dust, choosing the right windows plays a big role in how eco-friendly your home can be. Sustainable window installation options not only cut down on energy waste but also improve comfort and even save you money over time. If you're looking to upgrade, here's what you should know. Why sustainable windows matter in Maricopa. Arizona's desert climate creates unique challenges for homes. High cooling demand. With scorching summers, air conditioning often runs constantly, raising energy costs. Solar gain. Intense sunlight pours through outdated or inefficient windows, heating up interiors. Environmental footprint. Energy waste contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. By installing sustainable windows, Maricopa homeowners can keep their homes cooler, reduce reliance on AC, and lower utility bills, all while shrinking their carbon footprint. Energy-efficient glass options. Glass choice is one of the most important aspects of eco-friendly windows. Low E coatings. Low emissivity glass reflects heat away while allowing in natural light, reducing solar heat gain during long Maricopa summers. Double and triple pane windows. Insulating layers of argon or krypton gas slow heat transfer and provide year-round comfort. UV protection. Many energy-efficient glass options block harmful UV rays, protecting both your health and your home's interior finishes. These glass technologies make a significant difference in keeping homes cooler and reducing energy waste. Sustainable frame materials. Frames are just as important as glass when it comes to sustainability. Vinyl frames. Affordable, low maintenance, and long-lasting, they offer good insulation with minimal environmental impact. Fiberglass frames. Extremely durable and energy efficient, fiberglass requires less replacement over time, making it a sustainable option. Composite frames. Made from recycled materials, composites balance strength, insulation, and eco-friendliness. Responsibly sourced wood. For homeowners who love natural aesthetics, wood certified by the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, provides an eco-conscious choice. Choosing the right frame material means balancing performance with environmental responsibility. Professional installation. For maximum efficiency, even the most sustainable windows won't perform as expected if they're not installed correctly. Proper sealing. Professional installation ensures no gaps or leaks where air or dust can get in. Insulation. Correct insulation around frames prevents wasted energy. Longevity. Expert installation reduces wear and extends the life of your windows, making them a longer-lasting, eco-friendly investment. Hiring local professionals familiar with Maricopa's desert conditions guarantees your windows work as designed. Recycling and eco-friendly disposal. Part of sustainability is reducing waste during the installation process. Old window recycling. Many installers now recycle glass, metal, and wood from old windows instead of sending them to landfills. Eco-conscious practices. Choosing a contractor committed to green practices ensures your project minimizes its environmental footprint. As a homeowner, asking about recycling and disposal is an easy step toward making your project even more eco-friendly. Long-term savings and value. While sustainable window installation may involve a higher upfront cost, the long-term benefits are undeniable. Lower utility bills. Energy-efficient windows keep cooling costs down year after year. Increased comfort. Consistent indoor temperatures make your home more enjoyable. Boosted property value. Eco-friendly upgrades are attractive to buyers in today's market. It's an investment that pays off in both financial and environmental terms. Final thoughts. For eco-conscious homeowners in Maricopa, sustainable window installation offers the perfect balance of comfort, savings, and environmental responsibility. With options like low-E glass, durable frames, and professional installation, you can dramatically reduce your energy use while enjoying a cooler, quieter, and more stylish home. If you're ready to upgrade, explore windows designed specifically for desert climates and work with local professionals who understand Maricopa's unique needs. The result? A greener home, a smaller carbon footprint, and a more comfortable living space for years to come.